Hey guys, welcome back. For this video, I'm going to show you how to create webhooks on Discord. So basically what you want to do is go to your server and a server that you like. Click on this button here and go to server settings. Once you're there, just go to integrations under the apps here. Then go click on webhooks right here. And just click on the new webhook button right here. So it will create your webhook here. And you can name it anything you want. You could upload like a image here, select the channel you want. So I'm just gonna put it on default. Then you just need to copy the webhook URL, just like so. So next thing is basically just open up your browser and search for the discohook.org. So this is it. Just search for this discohook.org, and it will show you a bunch of these stuff right here. So let's just clear all of that. So now you're gonna paste your webhook URL there, and once you're done, of course you're gonna add a content here, anything you like. So it's basically up to your preference. Could also add an embed right here. So for the author, body, hi guys. Something like that I like. Could also add some images, some footer right here, and could also change the color right here. So let's say I want it red and stuff. And once you're done with that, you just need to click on send. So let's go back to Discord and check on rules. So as you can see, it is now sent right here. That's it guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.